Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be showing you how I list on eBay from start to finish, and it's going to be a very simple and basic way of doing things. I am 3 months into the platform and I have a very simple go-to listing style, and I wanted to share that with you all because I know I was very intimidated before starting eBay. I did not want to go on eBay because I felt like it was something that would be really hard for me, but once I actually did it, I was like, this is super easy. What was I so scared about? So I know I have a lot of subscribers on my channel that fear eBay and they don't want to list on eBay because they think that it's very difficult. And I just want to share with you, it's actually super simple and don't be afraid of it. So I'm going to take you step by step on how I list on eBay and just share how simple it actually is. Now that you all saw how I actually take my photos for eBay, I'm gonna go into simply listing. So first you wanna get your photos, and I always do them in the square mode for the photos because it gets it exactly to the right sizing that you need for reselling. And just a side note, if you sell on Poshmark or Mercari, you wanna do the same thing. Get into the square mode for when you're taking your photos. All right, right now we are on the home page of eBay on my mobile device, on my cell phone, my iPhone. I do not do listing on the computer. I actually just do it straight from my phone just because it's more convenient and easier for me and my lifestyle. So we're gonna go right over to the next little tab at the bottom, which is called My eBay. And you're going to see it says selling, so you can hit the selling button. Now you're going to want to list the new item, so we're going to hit list an item, which is at the very top, and you are going to actually type in what you want the title to be for this item. So we are going to say Tommy Hilfiger, if I could spell Hilfiger right, button down vest, and you're gonna hit go. Now, one thing to keep in mind, there will be several different listings. Oh, we wanna hit pre-owned. There's gonna be several different listings that other people have listed onto eBay. So typically that's how it is, but for some reason it did not just come up like that. But you can actually use someone else's listings, not their photos, but you can use the descriptions that they have, like the style of the vest, the sizing, the colors. So you can reuse someone's listing in that sense with your own photos, which does make it easier for you when you are actually trying to quickly list something because all of that extra information like the sizing and color is already in there. But if you are doing a brand new listing, it's going to look like this. So we're gonna hit the plus sign so we can get our photos, and we are going to get the photos right here and just add them all. Now you have 12 photos available on eBay, which is actually not a whole lot. So we are going to use all 12 of them though. You want to get as many photos as you possibly can. And as you see, these are all loading in. Sometimes I'll just hit done and it'll continue loading as you're going through the rest of the things you need to fill out. So I have my photos that are uploading. I have my title, and sometimes I do put I'll put size extra small in the title. So if you need to put the size of your item in there, I think that's a good idea too. So here you'll see the category. They actually selected men's, which it is not a men's item, it is a women's item. So make sure that you pay attention to that as well. So for sizing, I just put regular because it's not petite, it's not anything else but just a regular. It is size extra small, so it actually pulled that from my title. It pulled that it was an extra small, which was nice because I didn't have to fill that out. So extra small, there is no sleeves. So you're gonna hit sleeveless for the sleeve length, and the color is blue. So we're gonna hit blue. And down here, you can see there's a lot of other options. So we have like the fit, the material, the accents, the features. You are more than welcome to do that. I typically, honestly, do not. I just feel like it's so time consuming. Now, if it is an item that really needs to have more information because it is there's not that many of them, or you want to be very specific with the exact style of it, then it would be worth doing. However, for me, I don't fill out everything. I am gonna put that there are buttons for the closure because some vests have zippers, so I just wanna make sure that's clear. And there's fit. This is just a regular fit. Actually, this is more of a slim fit. I'm gonna change that. It is more slimming because it does kind of like hug you in the waist. So I'm gonna put slim. There's different like themes. This one does not have a theme. There's different patterns. This does not have a pattern. So you get the idea. You can fill out the details. So we're gonna hit done for that. And also you can fill in a description of the item. Oh, we need to change this to women's. So we are gonna go to women's, and right here it says clothing, shoes, and accessories, women's vests. So we got that done. Now here's the description. You can either add to the description if there's a flaw in the item, you need to clarify where the flaw is. So make sure you fill out the flaw. There is no flaws in this. Condition is pre-owned. I'm going to make sure to write no flaws. Excellent used condition. And everything else, that's correct for that. Now the pricing, I do not do bidding, so I will actually remove the auctions. I don't want to do that. I'm gonna have the option to buy it now. So you can see that little toggle button is on to purchase the item now. I'm going to change the price to $40. Now you can actually allow eBay to gradually change the price for you so that you don't have to keep going back and forth and changing it, maybe making it a reduced price. That's an option that you have, but I personally just keep that off because I don't want anyone else changing my pricing. I want to be in charge of that. So I don't use that feature. You definitely can, but what I'm gonna do is I will not accept an offer that is lower than $25 right now. So I'm going to hit allow offers because I want people to be able to negotiate with me. So you can either hit don't allow or allow offers, and I'm gonna allow at least $25. I think it's worth to me. Now you can always change that in the future. So if like 2-3 months from now it's still not selling, you may want to look back and check out to see your pricing. That may really change the way that people are actually wanting to purchase the item, because if it's too much, they might not purchase it because someone else, your competition, is selling it for cheaper. So definitely keep that in mind when you are pricing. Always look at your competition. So and then if you had more than one quantity, you can change the quantity down here, but I only have one, so I'm just gonna keep that at 1. And then you can also schedule when you want your listing to appear. So if you don't want it to appear until like 3 days from now, you could schedule it down here, but I want it to go live right away. So we're gonna hit done. The pricing is done. Now, something else to keep in mind is the weight of the item. So you're gonna see USPS first class mail. It is going to have the buyer pays $5.30 to $5.75. This is something that eBay automatically put in here. So we are going to hit that little pencil to do the editing, and you can actually choose to ship internationally. You can do local pickup. I don't really do either of those. Actually, you definitely can, and it will show you like charge for shipping for if it's worldwide, all of that kind of stuff. To be honest with you guys, I haven't gotten into that yet. I just ship in the US. In the future, I definitely will. But for right now, as I'm getting super comfortable with this platform, I am just shipping in the US right now. That'll definitely change in the future. But so right here, you're gonna look at package details, and that is when you're gonna put in your weight. Simply weigh your item. Literally get a scale like that you would weigh your personal body on, and step on and then step off, see what the weight is, hold the item, step back on, and just subtract the difference. So if you guys are unsure. Now, if you know that it's like around 1 pound, or if you have like a really light t-shirt, that's probably not even 1 pound. So you can kind of guesstimate from there. That vest is so lightweight, so I'm just gonna put 15 ounces. It is not a pound. So we're just gonna hit done for that. And I typically only sell clothing, so the things I sell are never very heavy at all, but that's basically it with that. So then you're gonna have, like your PayPal information, because you use PayPal to do shipping. And I personally don't allow returns. I sell on Poshmark and I sell on Mercari, and we don't allow returns over there. So I'm just keeping this same mentality of no returns on eBay. I know a lot of people disagree with that, but that's just what I'm doing, so that's it. Then I'm gonna hit list my item. So then this gives you the option to do easy pricing. So they will start lowering the price like I kind of talked about earlier. I don't do that. I just say maybe next time. And then you can also pay to boost your items. I'm not gonna do that anytime soon. So no thank you. My items are good where they're at. I don't wanna pay anything more. So then success, you have successfully listed your item. So you're gonna hit done, or you can hit view listing. And now I'm gonna go to my active listings, and I see right there that I have my Tommy Hilfiger button-down vest, size extra small, $40. And it does say buy it now or best offer. So it's basically saying you can actually purchase from me right now with the full price that I'm asking for, or you can send me an offer. So that is literally how simple it is to list on eBay, guys. It is so simple. And I'm going to include a link to Hustle at Home Mom. She is a YouTuber, and she also sells on eBay, and she's very successful on eBay. Very, very kind person. I really enjoy watching her videos. And her one video that really helped me was about shipping on eBay. She makes that video very clear and to the point on how to ship on eBay. So I really wanted to just link that in the description box below about eBay shipping, because a lot of people are afraid of it, and it's actually super easy. I don't know why everyone made other people scared of shipping on eBay, because it's not hard. So watch that video and you will learn exactly how to do it. That is how I learned, and I literally learned by just watching that video one time. So I hope you all really enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did learn something new, and comment down below, are you gonna start reselling on eBay? Because I just shared with you how easy and simple it is. So I really hope that you start selling on eBay just like me, and comment below if you do. And be sure to subscribe if you have not subscribed already, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, y'all.